If you thought OnePlus's phones were excellent value, then get a load of its headphones. The OnePlus Type-C bullets are unbelievably good, and that's mostly because they are unbelievably affordable. They might not fit every year, and you can definitely get better sound quality elsewhere, but you're going to have to spend 5 or 10 times more to notice the immediate difference. Hey guys, welcome back to this new video. This is the unboxing cabin. Let's get started. Now talking about the design and build, the Type-C bullets are basically the same product as the Bullets V2 that have a headphone jack. This is a good thing. The design is as basic as you can get with 3 tip sizes in the box, an anti-tangle flat cord, and an inline remote for volume up and down and play and pause buttons, with a mic for hands-free calls. The 3 tips should ensure that the bullets fit your ears no matter what shape, but this reviewer found that even the smallest tips were too big for their ears and didn't stay in properly for long periods. However, we find this the case for all-in-ear headphones, so we blame our ears, not the product. Other members of the Tech Advisor team have no issue with the fit of the bullets, but it's worth bearing in mind if you have trouble with the in-ear fit usually, as you'll find the same problems here. They are very lightweight and the 1.15 amp cable length is pretty standard. There are no frills, but the inline remote with a mic is a good inclusion at this price. Now coming to the sound quality and the features, the Type-C bullets have a built-in DAC, which is known as the digital to analog converter, that drastically improves the quality of audio from your USB-C phone or device. It's noticeable when compared to other very cheap headphones and is of particular use in the age of streaming. Streamed music is heavily compressed, so a DAC that improves the basic sound quality of all audio is a real bonus. Love Lockdown by West sounds excellent with the resonant and booming bass shining through almost unbelievably for earphones so small and so cheap. But we shouldn't patronize the Type-C bullets for their low price and high capabilities. OnePlus is a company that has worked out how to get quality out of their products that cost less than the obvious competition. If there's a criticism, it's that, like Beats headphones, the bass is louder and better represented than treble, the latter of which can be drawn out a little at times. But this is to be expected on small driver headphones. It's impressive that the bass is as good as it is. Just be reminded that the sound quality is a lot worse if the things don't fit your ears properly. As we have said, you need to have a seal formed by the tip fairly deep in your ear canal for the full sound to come through and to get proper noise isolation. Now talking about the USB-C compatibility, the best thing about the OnePlus Type-C bullets is that they work with every single USB-C audio device that we tested them with. For reference, this was the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, Samsung Galaxy S9, the Google Pixel 3X, the Oppo Find X, and so on and so forth. That's pretty good going for a USB standard that is far from standardized. It's worth noting that the inline remote didn't always work, but audio performance was the same across the board. If you have a new gen MacBook, the Windows laptop with USB-C and USB-C phone, these headphones will work with all of them, following the disappearance of the headphone jack, which was a great thing. And at last, coming to the verdict, these are no doubt the best value USB-C headphones you can buy right now, and pretty much the best headphones for the money in any category. The only thing to be wary of is the in-ear fit that some might struggle with. But if in-ear headphones work for you and you have a USB-C audio device, these are totally worth every penny for an insanely low asking price. Hey guys, if you all enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Unboxing Cabin. Like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to comment your valuable feedback. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.